What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's take a look and see what's in our Latrobe location. Behind me is this beautiful blue C8 Z06. Aaron just completed a full PPF wrap on it, and then Caleb will be grabbing it in his department to put a fusion ceramic coating on it. In this bay over here, we have a Dodge Ram that got a full front end package with PPF, and then he had the rockers done, as well as both bedsides and the tailgate area. Behind the Dodge Ram, we have a brand new 2023 Jeep Compass. Max is doing a full front end and wear and tear package on today. Then behind Aaron is a Ford F-150 that got a mini front end done. That is just small pieces on the front fender, a piece on the front bumper, a small strip along the hood, and then they got the back bumper done as well. Beside the F-150, we have a brand new Mercedes that just got the Expel Fusion coating. It's waiting to cure and go back to the customer. We have another Mercedes. This is a GLE 53. It's in for a coating. I think Caleb's just finishing the wheels and that'll be done today. Then beside it, I don't know if you guys recognize this. This was Terrell Pryor's G-Wagon that we wrapped a flat satin black. Another customer bought it and brought it to us, and we are removing the wrap. Steve is putting the grill back on, and we'll be able to give that back to the customer at the end of this week. Over in the wash bay, we have a Volkswagen Atlas. This is here for an annual checkup. Over in the tint bay, Terrell is currently in the process of tinting the windows on this Jeep Mojave. Outside, we have a Kia that just came in to get the windows tinted. Beside it is a Ford F-150. That customer is here just for an annual checkup. Over here is a beautiful BMW 430i. This was in for some Expel paint protection film as well as a fusion coating. Then we have a Volvo SUV. This is here just for an Expel fusion coating. Then beside it, we also have a beautiful, you don't see these every day, white Lincoln Continental. The paint's gonna look really good once this is coated, but this is also here for an Expel fusion ceramic coating. Then over here is something you don't see every day. This is actually a miniature golf cart that we're doing some custom paint protection film pieces on the front of it to help it from damage. Up front, we have this beautiful BMW M4 CSL edition. It's here for a whole entire Expel paint protection wrap plus Expel fusion coating. And beside the BMW, we have this blue C8 that's here for Expel paint protection film and a coating as well. Check out the interior of this thing. It actually matches the outside, really brings out that blue. That's what's going on here at the Latrobe shop. Let's send it over to my boy Chet at Gibsonia and see what's going on.
What's up, guys? It's Wednesday, so let's take a walk through our Gibsonia shop. Back in the PPF bay, we have this 2023 BRZ. We have Steve here doing some touch-up on this vehicle. Got a full front clip paint protection film. And we also had Ian do the side windows and the back window and our Prime XR Plus 70% tint. This tint is not necessarily a dark tint, but it is going to block out both UV and IR rays to keep the vehicle a lot more cool and comfortable. Over here we have Austin finishing up the full wrap on the Ford GT. Just doing some touch-up work on that right now. And we also got a new tool here in the shop. We got a pressurized tank to help the PPF bay run a lot more efficiently. Austin here, one of our head PPF techs, did some customization to this. Can you tell us about the customization on the vinyl here, Austin?
It's a scream canister from Monsters Inc. and wrapping cars with children's screams.
In the wash bay, we got a 2021 Ram 1500. This was in a year ago for a full paint correction and ceramic coating, and it's back in this time for a annual maintenance checkup. In the tint bay, we have Brandon working on this 2012 Chevy Cruze. This is getting our Prime XR 35% tint on all the side windows and the back window. Next up, we have Mark working on this 2022 GV70. We debadged the back of the vehicle for a much more clean and sleek look, and now we got Mark working on the wheel area. So this is getting a full paint correction and ceramic coating on the entire vehicle, including the entire wheels and calipers. Next up, we have a completed paint correction and ceramic coating on this 2023 Ford Raptor R. This did have decals on the bed sides, a small portion of the back door and the hood there. As you can see, they are now off. So we got those decals taken off, polished out all the paint, and did a Fusion Plus ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Next to that, we have a almost brand new 2021 Ram TRX. This was in the shop about a year ago to get the two front windows done and a ceramic coating, and it's back in for its annual maintenance checkup. Update video from last week here. So this is Mark's Pontiac Phoenix. The paint, although this is, I believe, like 40 or 50 years old, it's shining like it's brand new. So that's the power of paint correction. If you guys did not see the original paint before polish, go check out last week's What's in the Shop Wednesday. Next in line for a full paint correction and ceramic coating is this Challenger Scat Pack. This is Hellraisin in purple. We're going to be polishing out all the paint and coating the entire vehicle, including the wheels. That's all for what's going on here in Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
What's up, guys? This is Nate from Blackout, Tinting, Miami. I'll be showing you what's going on in the shop this week. Here we have a 2023 Corvette Z06. getting a full Expel paint protection film wrap, Expel Fusion Plus ceramic coating, and Expel XR Plus ceramic tint. You guys have seen this thing in previous week. This is a 2023 vintage Bronco that got a full bulk install with paint protection film, ceramic coating on the exterior, and then he also opted to do a ceramic coat in the interior to give him as much protection as possible. That's all that we got going on shop this week. If you like what you saw, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, let us know how we're doing.